Okay, now members, I'm going to show you how do we inscribe, how do we circumscribe in this question. Now this question is also detailed. Let us go through it. Now this one, all you need, a compass, a ruler, and then a pencil. My pencil is a chalk, of course. So those are the only things we need. We don't need any protractor here. Okay, when I'm going through, now let's go through this question. Using a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of compass only, construct a triangle ABC in which length BC, they are giving you now length BC, they are giving you angle B at 75. I don't need that this means angle, and the one in the middle is what the angle they are talking about. So ABC means that they are giving you the angle in the middle, which is B, 75, and AB 9.2 centimeters. Now, you go to measure and record it, and also measure angle. This one means another angle, they are going to measure angle C. So now, they are going to tell us that after circumscribe the circle on a triangle AB, measure and record the radius of the circle and then find the area of that circle. Okay, so now what they are going to do is, we are going now to start this is the sketch. They are giving us AB as 9.2, BC as 8.6, and then they are not giving us anything. They are giving us this angle 75. Now, so the 75 is facing this side. So be careful because we are going to use that idea properly. Now, what am I going to do? What we do, we have already you get your compass and you measure off your 9.2. After measuring off your 9.2, you come. My 9.2 is here. Then after that, you put your pointer at the point B, then you draw an arc. And where that arc passes, you name it point B. So from here up to here is 9.2 centimeters. Now, I'm going to construct 75. But now we construct 75. But now this 75 is facing this side. So you have to put that in mind. So now I come and I put at this pointer here, where B is. Then the procedure for drawing 75, I hope you remember. So you draw like this one here. Then we don't change. You come, you draw an arc there. And then you also come and draw an arc from this point, and you draw an arc there. Then after that, you come and you adjust a little bit. Then you draw an arc up there, like that. And then from here, you also draw an arc there. Where the two intersect, that would be 90 degrees. Now from there, you can draw that, but you don't need that. Now, draw 75. Now you put your arc here, from here. Then you adjust a little bit, you draw an arc up there. Then you also put in the middle here. In the middle there. Then you draw, after that, we first join this so that we can form our 90 degrees. So this 90 is going to be here. So if we join there, this is going to be now my 90. But I don't need 90, it's just helping me to draw the angle I want. So now after doing that, now you come and get your compass. Then you put an arc here and you draw an arc up there. Then you put at this point here. Then you draw from here. Then you draw another arc up there. Where those two are intersecting, I think we study intersecting here. Then you draw the line joining them there. And that will be our 75. Why are we doing this? Because we know that this angle from here up to here is going to be 60. From here up to here is going to be 30. So if we bisect this, that's why we are having 15 and 60 plus the 15 we have bisected. That's how we are getting our 70. So that's how we call that. Then I do now this line is going to be but now before I draw that line, they are telling me that the length of BC, because I need the point BC, the vertex BC, they are telling me it's 8.6. What I do, I first get this compass and I measure off this 8.6. Me, if I measure mine, 8.6 is going to be somewhere there. My 8.6 Yeah, this is my 8.6. Okay, so this is my 8.6. So after measuring that 8.6, you come now, you draw it, you draw an arc in relation to this angle. So you put there, that's where my 8.6 is going to be. So now, when I construct, this line should go up to here. This is where my 8.6 is. Then I come and I construct. Now from here, passing through the arm and then touching that. So now I put there, that's where my 75 is. Then I draw an arm, I line from there, to do that up to there. So that is going to be my 75. So that's how we construct this. Now this becomes here, is our point C. Then we can join this to this. This is our angle 75. Then we join that to this from A, then C. From A to C so that we can make our triangle visible to everyone there who's going to mark the work. So that's now my triangle. A, B, C. So I know already from here up to here, the distance here is 8.6 centimeters. From there, I know this angle is 75 degrees. You record anything there. So from here up to there, 75 degrees. Now, after that now, they're telling us that measure SC. Measure SC. So I come here, my SC, this is part B. My SC is going to be, so if I come and I measure my SC here is going to be minus 10.1. Minus 10.1 centimeters. Then when I come, they're telling me now, that's my SC. 10.1 centimeters. Then my angle, they mean to measure angle ACB is going to be. Now this one, you get your protractor and you measure. You get your protractor, then you measure the angle. So I put it here like this. Then I measure off that angle. So here, then my angle sits accurately. From 0, they are measuring going this side. Measure from 0, going this side. So my angle is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and it's 50 degrees accurately. 50 degrees. 50 degrees. So now they are telling us to do what? They are telling us that after that, circumscribe that triangle. How do you circumscribe? You set circumscribe, you bisect any two sides. So I'm going to bisect SC and then also AB. How do you bisect? You put your pointer at this point, then you adjust your compass halfway the line, then you draw an arc to one side there, then you also draw another arc of SC there, that's where it is. Then I draw an arc there, up and also down. Then I come to this one and I also draw an arc down to it. So here I draw this walls and down it's there. Then we are going to join this to this. I also come and also bisect this from A. I'm going to bisect this side, draw an arc this side, and I also draw an arc up there, like that. Then I change now to this, to where B is. Where my B is, I draw an arc there, and then an arc there up. I come and readjust this one, so that it's equal properly there. So now from there, we join this to this, then this to this. So now I join mine from this to this. We join this where those two arcs were intersecting, where this one is down intersecting. we have bisected this side. Then I also join this one to this one here. Like this. And we said where these two intersect is going to become our center O. Then after that, we get our compass pointer and we put it at our center O, where they are intersected. These two bisected, one for this and for this. We put it there. Then we adjust our pencil to any of the vertex there. Then we are going to pass there. Then we shall pass inside. Sorry. This is once this is becoming stubborn, but it's not going to be. We are going to pass there, and also this side like that. Okay, so if I'm to construct 9, this is how it's going to be. Like that, we pass there, then this side like this. Sorry, mine has moved, which is not good, but I can trace where it stopped. So you see, I've circumscribed my triangle properly. So it's starting through this point, it's starting this point, and it's starting this point. So they have circumscribed my triangle ABC properly. Then they are telling me that measure and record radius of the circle. So to measure and record this radius of this circle, what I'm going to do, now I'm going to measure from this to this where these bisectors meet, because this is the center, meaning any line from the center to the circumference becomes our radius. Or you can measure this, but this one is that it's not touching. So it's better to measure from here up to here. So if I push there my ruler properly to measure that, mine is giving me 5.6. So my radius, Roman C, is it? Okay, Roman C is here. We have some circumscribed, so Roman number 1. Then Roman number 2 is Roman number 2. My radius is 5.6 centimeters. So that's my radius. For you can get yours, but it has to be almost, if not similar to mine. It has to be the same. Then let's find the area of the circle. So that our area of a circle is given by pi r squared. So you don't have pi, maybe I can raise 2 people and I put pi, or we can leave it the way it is. Anyway, let me raise 2 people, taking pi, be 22 over 7. So from there, you just substitute into that formula. So all you do, you come and put that our pi is now 22 over 7 times our radius, which is 5.6, the whole square. This would be, now you just press your calculator and direct it. So 5.5 squared. So my answer here, the area is 98.56 centimeters square D. So that is my area of that circle. So the whole area of this circle is that. So that's it, members. I wish you the best.